Friendship is born at the moment when one person says to another, "What? You too?" Throughout life, we experience many different kinds of friendships. On rare occasions, we encounter someone so special that we just know we met for a reason. These are the kinds of friendships that last forever. No matter what city you live in, or how often you speak, no matter how old you get, or what phase of life you are in, it's the type of friendship that has no judgment and sticks by you even when you make mistakes. It's the kind of friendship that makes you understand unconditional love. Maybe you met your most special friend when you were 6, or 13 or 30, or maybe you are yet to cross paths. It happens at different stages for different people, but when it does, there is no greater comfort than knowing that this person will be right there beside you to share the happiness, the sadness, and everything in between. Never, ever take these friendships for granted.